Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury on wheels, reviewing the top 3 2026 motorhomes from Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, and Mercedes-Maybach. These aren't just vehicles, they're moving palaces designed for those who refuse to compromise. Let's start with the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. When you hear the name Rolls-Royce, you instantly think of unparalleled luxury, precision craftsmanship, and timeless class. The brand's entrance into the motorhome space has created an entirely new segment: hyper-luxury touring. From the moment you see the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, it captivates your imagination. The exterior is a flawless blend of classic Rolls-Royce heritage and futuristic design. Draped in a dual-tone metallic paint with hand-painted coach lines, the exterior is accentuated by an elongated silhouette, signature Pantheon grille, and laser-cut Spirit of Ecstasy lighting elements that glow softly as dusk settles in. The presence of 26-inch polished alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile touring tires adds to the grand appearance. Every contour of the body is smooth and seamless, with automatic flush doors and panoramic windows crafted from bulletproof privacy glass. The exterior features extend into technology, with a built-in retractable awning system, full-length ambient underglow lighting, and an integrated outdoor entertainment suite with an OLED screen that emerges from the side panel. Rolls-Royce has ensured this motorhome is as much a statement piece as it is a vehicle. The roof is embedded with solar tiles that power auxiliary systems, maintaining a quiet and environmentally friendly operation, even off dash grid. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of an aristocratic lounge. The interior is handcrafted with only the finest materials: Arctic birchwood inlays, lambswool carpeting, white leather with hand-stitched detailing, and accents of gold-plated switches and controls. The driver's cabin resembles a cockpit, yet maintains the familiar grace of a Rolls-Royce sedan. The dashboard features a seamless OLED panel stretching the entire width, offering AI-based navigation, augmented reality driving assist, and intuitive control over lighting, climate, and ambience. Behind the driver's space lies the main salon. A retractable divider separates the cockpit from the living area. The living space is styled with reclining Chesterfield sofas, a built-in fireplace simulation, a minibar with crystal decanters, and surround sound from a bespoke Rolls-Royce audio system. There's a spa-inspired bathroom, a walk-in closet, and even a temperature-controlled wine cellar built into the wall. A luxurious queen-sized bed retracts into the wall when not in use, while a hidden 4K projector drops from the ceiling for late-night entertainment. Performance is where Rolls-Royce has done something unimaginable. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, combining a twin-turbo V12 engine with 2 axial flux electric motors. This setup produces a combined 1,100 horsepower and over 1,200 Newton-meters of torque, making it one of the fastest luxury motorhomes ever made. The air suspension system ensures an impossibly smooth ride, and with satellite-guided predictive damping, the motorhome glides over imperfections in the road. It has an estimated range of 900 kilometers on hybrid power and about 200 kilometers on electric-only mode. Despite its massive size, the handling is surprisingly nimble, thanks to rear-wheel steering and AI-assisted torque vectoring. In short, Rolls-Royce hasn't just built a motorhome, they've redefined what one can be. Moving on to the second contender, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Now this might sound like a paradox. Ferrari is known for blistering speed, aerodynamic design, and aggressive Italian performance. But what if we told you that the prancing horse has reinterpreted speed into a luxury touring concept that rewrites all expectations? The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, officially called the Ferrari Lusso Stradale, is a radical shift in philosophy. On the outside, it still screams Ferrari. Sharp, aerodynamic lines flow from the front fascia to the sculpted rear end, The body is made of carbon fiber reinforced aluminum, reducing weight significantly compared to traditional motorhomes. The front features a redesigned nose with a Formula One-inspired intake system, active air channels, and a laser-focused light bar that stretches across the front. The Ferrari logo is prominently placed in gold against the crimson-red bodywork, and even the side mirrors are replaced with retractable camera pods. The exterior isn't just about looks, it's functional. Active aero elements deploy at high speeds to increase downforce. The motorhome rides on staggered carbon wheels with high-performance Michelin Pilot touring tires. A retractable roof spoiler and diffuser help with high-speed stability, and there's an integrated loading bay for a Vespa or Ferrari e-bike in the rear hatch. The Lusso Stradale isn't just about elegance, it's about performance travel. Step inside, and Ferrari's racing DNA meets Italian luxury. The interior is minimalist but stunning. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather cover every surface. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a steering wheel borrowed from the SF90 and a 14-inch curved HUD that displays speed, route, and telemetry data. There's even a G-force meter. Behind the cockpit is the living lounge, inspired by Italian yachts. There's a carbon fiber dining table, wraparound leather bench, and a drop-down screen with Ferrari's proprietary media, OS. The kitchen is a compact marvel with fold-away appliances, and the sleeping quarters use a hydraulic system to transform into a queen-size bed suspended above the lounge. As for performance, Ferrari has turned the impossible into a reality. The Lusso Stradale uses a quad-motor electric drivetrain combined with a hydrogen-powered V8. This hybrid setup produces 1,300 horsepower and achieves 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4.8 seconds. Yes, a motorhome that accelerates like a supercar. With regenerative braking, four-corner adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes, handling is crisp and composed even at high speeds. The estimated range is over 1,000 kilometers, and with Ferrari's fast charging and hydrogen fill-up capabilities, downtime is minimal. Ferrari didn't just build a motorhome. They built a machine for those who want to tour the world without giving up an ounce of adrenaline. The Lusso Stradale is not just a statement, it's a revolution in motion. Finally, we arrive at the third icon, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach motorhome. Maybach, the pinnacle of German luxury under the Mercedes-Benz umbrella, has created something that feels like a five-star penthouse suite on wheels. The exterior of the Maybach motorhome is clean, elegant, and royal. Soft curves, high-gloss paint with chrome inlays, and a monolithic shape that blends form and function. The enormous chrome grille, vertical LED headlamps, and Maybach monogram projected from the mirrors all shout prestige. The vehicle sits on 25-inch turbine alloy wheels, and the retractable running boards extend silently as you approach. Every inch of the exterior is engineered for comfort and technology. There's a fully integrated 360-degree camera system, intelligent proximity sensors, and smart surface panels that display custom ambient lighting or even personalized logos. The roof houses a retractable observation deck, complete with smart glass flooring and seating for two. Inside, Maybach has gone all out. As you step in, a scent diffuser releases a signature Maybach fragrance. The cabin is finished in piano black, champagne gold, and deep walnut veneers. The lounge has two executive recliners with massage, ventilation, and memory functions. A rear panoramic sunroof brings in natural light, while the walls are fitted with touch-sensitive OLED panels for control over climate, lighting, and entertainment. Bedroom is a haven of comfort, featuring a king-size bed with adaptive memory foam, a hidden 8K display, and a ceiling that mimics the night sky with fiber optic starlight. There's a bathroom finished in real marble with a rain shower and smart mirror that displays news, weather, and wellness metrics. The Maybach Motorhome also includes a full kitchenette with meal appliances and a wine fridge stocked from your digital preferences. Under the hood, the Maybach Motorhome features a plug-in hybrid V8 with a 150 kilowatt electric motor. The total output is a refined 900 horsepower, focused more on smoothness and range than speed. The air suspension uses predictive mapping to adjust based on terrain, and the cabin is completely sound insulated using acoustic glass and active noise cancellation. Range stands at about 950 kilometers, and the vehicle supports wireless charging in designated parking spots. Autonomous driving features include lane change assist, emergency pullover, and AI-powered convoy travel for luxury CARAV and NING.in. Essence, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is the definition of serenity, technology, and ultimate comfort. Where Rolls-Royce blends timeless opulence with innovation and Ferrari injects adrenaline and sport into mobility, Maybach offers peace, power, and an executive suite that never stops moving. These three titans, Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, and Mercedes-Maybach, have shown us that the future of travel doesn't have to compromise between luxury, performance, and freedom. Each of these motorhomes reflects the DNA of its maker while delivering something that's never been done before. Rolls-Royce elevates travel into a royal experience. Ferrari reimagines motion with passion and performance. And Maybach turns the road into a calm, rolling palace. Which of these incredible Mac